What if I told you two people can earn the same money, live in the same country, have the same opportunities, but after 15 years, one is financially free and the other is still stuck, living paycheck to paycheck? And the difference? It's not talent. It's not luck. It's just a few quiet habits. Meet Ken, Maya, and Zoe. 3 generations, 3 completely different financial lives. Let's start with something most people ignore: emergency savings. Ken has 6 to 8 months of expenses saved. So when life hits, a broken car, a surprise medical bill, Ken handles it and moves on. Maya? She reaches for a credit card, 24% interest. And just like that, a small problem turns into a long-term financial setback. Over time, that one decision alone can quietly cost her over $40,000. Now here's where it gets interesting. All 3 get a raise. Same amount, same opportunity, but completely.
Ken upgrades his lifestyle just a little and invests the rest. Maya? She upgrades everything. A better apartment, more subscriptions, more comfort. It feels like progress, but it's actually a trap. Because 15 years later, Ken is ahead by over $130,000. Not because he made more, but because he kept more. Now, let's talk about the trap most people don't even see: debt. Zoe and Maya are surrounded by it. Buy now, pay later. Monthly payments. Car loans. Everything feels affordable because it's spread out. But here's the truth. They're paying for things that don't grow. Ken? He only uses debt for assets. Things that increase in value. Everything else, he pays in cash. Because he understands something most people ignore. Debt isn't just a payment. It's your future being slowly sold. And that small $600 monthly habit, over time, can cost over $250,000. Now, here's the part nobody talks about. And honestly, it sounds boring. Side income. Ken isn't chasing trends. He's not trying to go viral. He just does something simple, consistent, and it brings in $800 a month. That's it. But invested over time, that turns into over $250,000. While everyone else is chasing attention, he's quietly building freedom. So, what's the real difference? Why does Ken win? It's not age, it's not generation, it's mindset. Because the truth is, you don't need to be Gen X to start thinking like one. Build a real emergency fund. Control your lifestyle, even when income grows. Avoid debt that doesn't build your future. And create income, even if it feels boring.
Because in the end, wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about what you keep, what you grow, and what you stop wasting. And the people who understand this early don't just survive the system. They quietly win it.